Have you ever wondered why some people seem to age gracefully while others look older than their years, even if they have tried fillers, cream, or other treatments? Hi, I'm Dr. Edmond Lau from Easy Skin Laser Aesthetic Clinic in Penang, Malaysia, and today I will explain how regenerative aesthetic works, the treatment we use, and why it's quickly becoming the new standard in skincare. The secret isn't just adding volume or tightening, it's about helping the skin heal and regenerate itself naturally. This is the essence of regenerative aesthetic medicines, which is to restore your skin from within, not just covering up the signs of aging. So, what's the difference between traditional aesthetic and regenerative aesthetics? Traditionally, we usually focus on symptoms such as filling wrinkles or lifting sagging skin. Regenerative aesthetic, on the other hand, goes deeper. It helps your own skin to repair, rebuild, and rejuvenate itself by activating fibroblasts, stem cells, and growth factor. The goal? Not just to look younger, but to make your skin function younger, naturally producing collagen and elastin, improving texture, firmness, and hydration from within. At Easy Skin Laser Aesthetic Clinic, we combine modern science with precise treatment planning, ensuring these regenerative processes are safe and effective. Now, let's look at the treatments we use to stimulate your skin's natural repair. Biostimulators such as Juveloop encourage collagen and elastin productions for long-lasting firmness. Polynucleotides such as Rejuvenate or Penang repairs damaged skins and restore skin hydration. Exosomes, advanced cell signaling vehicles, can enhance skin repair and recovery. Last but not least, energy-based devices like Algae Prime or Silphem X can help stimulate regeneration through controlled energy delivery. Each of these treatments supports your skin's natural rejuvenation and regeneration processes, rather than just masking the signs of aging. Here's a simple way to understand how the regenerative process works. Number 1. Stimulation. We activate skin cells such as fibroblasts to start working. Number 2. Regeneration. Your body begins producing new collagen, elastin, and other important structural proteins. Number 3. Remodeling. Over time, your skin becomes firmer, smoother, and healthier, naturally improving your overall appearance. The results are gradual, natural, and long-lasting, unlike quick fix that fades or look artificial. So, why is regenerative aesthetic medicine so popular? Firstly, it creates natural-looking results. Subtle, not overdone. Improve skin quality, firmness, hydration, and texture. It stimulates long-term collagen production so your skin keeps improving even after treatment. Lastly, it addresses aging, scars, dullness, and sagging without harsh procedure. At Easy Skin Laser Aesthetic Clinic, we customize treatment for individual patients, combining biostimulators such as Juveloop with energy-based devices such as Algae Prime or Silphem X to maximize natural rejuvenation safely. People are moving away from the frozen or overfilled look. They want treatments that maintain their identity. Treatments that help them look like a better version of themselves. Treatment that improve cellular health, not just appearance. And last but not least, they want treatments that provide long-lasting results with minimal downtime. Regenerative aesthetic medicine is the future because it combines science and patient desire for natural, healthy-looking skin. So, in conclusion, what is regenerative aesthetic medicine in one sentence? It's your skin natural rejuvenation guided by modern medical science. At Easy Skin Laser Aesthetic Clinics, we use the latest regenerative treatment such as Rejuvenate safely and precisely to help your skin heal and rebuild from within, so you can enjoy subtle, long-lasting results. As we approach 2026, I want to wish all my patients and viewers a happy Chinese New Year. May your skin and your confidence continue to grow stronger and healthier every day. Remember to invest in your skin, invest in yourself naturally. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or share for more insights on regenerative aesthetic medicine and skin health.